Meaning of Freefone.
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 Freefone. Freefone is a term used to describe a type of telephone service that allows users to make calls to a business or organization for free. This service is typically used by companies as a means of providing customer support or information. Freefone numbers usually start with prefixes such as 0800 or 0808, and are often used in advertising or promotional campaigns to encourage people to contact the business. Overall, Freefone is a convenient and cost-effective way for customers to reach out to businesses without having to worry about call charges.